Hey guys, so I'm back on the Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about how you can get an iPhone SE for only $50 on Boost Mobile. I know that there's been multiple deals with this, being at $100 or $50, and I've made videos with it, but this time it's a little bit different, so you probably want to watch this full video. That way you guys can understand how to go ahead and get it. So let's get into it. Alright, sorry about that. So if you go to Boost Mobile's website, we'll go ahead and start there and I'll show you the details about this offer, which is pretty good for an iPhone SE that costs $400. You can get for $50. Like I said, there are some requirements and a little bit of explaining to do, so let's get to it. But before we continue, let me talk about our supporters, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes and cheapest prices on anything you shop online by using the web extension. It's totally free, would be in the description below. When you save some money, I'll get a small commission. And if you guys want to start in the stock market, you can by using my Robinhood link in the description below to get free stock. So let's get into it, guys. If, like I said, once you get to boostmobile.com, we go from here, you go scroll down a little bit, skip all this, and there it is. So it says amazing phone, amazing price. It is a really good phone. Like I said, I actually have an unboxing of this phone and I actually had the SE in red and 128 before I sold it and got an iPhone 12 Pro. So definitely worth it for the price. I paid $450 for the 128, so getting it at $50 is a steal. So let's go ahead and check it out. So it says iPhone SE $49.99 when you switch. So of course this is going to be a switcher deal. You have to switch over, come from a different competing carrier to get this. So let's click learn more. And I do like that they actually tell you the details right in front. They don't hide like a lot of carriers. So this is an exclusive in-store offer. So you can find a store, but it has to be from a store. So you have to go to a Boost Mobile local store to get this offer. You cannot get it online, guys. Which I always tell you guys is great. That helps local dealers stay in business and stuff, especially right now with COVID going on. So make sure you wear, a mask and stuff like that. So it says iPhone SE $49.99 when you switch. But if you look in the fine little print right here, it says requires. There you go. I lit it up a little bit for you guys. It says requires rebate redemption and 3 months of service. See offer for details below. So right off the bat, guys, it's saying that yes, it does require a rebate. I don't know why Boost Mobile never really does a rebate, but like I said, that's why I need to do some explaining to you guys. But it says requires rebate redemption and 3 months of service. So you must pay 3 months of service. You don't have to pay them. Basically, you don't pay them all in one chunk. You basically have to be with Boost Mobile for 3 months to get this redemption extra offer. To be able to basically redeem the offer. So let's go ahead and click it. And as you can see, we're going to go ahead and start reading it. It's going to be up here on the top. So this is good until March 29th, 2021, guys. So iPhone SE $49.99 says offer not valid in RI, CT, Miami, Dale. So this offer is not available in those places. While supplies last, limited one device per line. So if you have a family line of 4, you can only get one, which kind of sucks. At least that's what it's saying. Available for new customers only, does require a port in and activation on eligible plan. So you have to be on an eligible plan. I believe usually it's a little bit higher of a plan with unlimited data. Excludes port from Sprint related carriers. So any carrier that uses Sprint service, you cannot port over from. That the whole point is for you to come from a different competing carrier, and Sprint and Boost Mobile are basically the same thing. It says purchase an iPhone SE 64 gigabyte for $100. So you're gonna buy this phone not for $50, but you will get it for, you'll pay $100 for this phone when you switch over. Sorry, so I thought something came in. So like I said, you will not get this phone for $50. You will get it for $100 when you get it in store. So it says first you will have to purchase an iPhone 64 gig for $100 and receive a $50 virtual prepaid card after 3 months of service. So yes, technically you will get this phone for $50 or $49.99, but first you have to purchase this phone for $100, and then Boost Mobile will give you a rebate of $50 on a prepaid card after you pay 3 months of service. So that's kind of smart, and yeah, it kind of sucks for people that just want to pay $50 plus service. Let's say 50 plus the 60. But like I say, you will be having to pay the 100 plus the service and then they will give you a $50 virtual prepaid card back, which technically, if you do the, you take that 50 off the 100, it is $50, and you must pay 3 months of that, which is $150. So it's not much of a savings if you're thinking about, like, I don't know, winning. I mean, if you're going to use Boost Mobile, I mean, why not go ahead and, after 3 months, boom, you get a $50 prepaid virtual card, which is great. So I kind of see that as a win. It says you will also submit submission of a proper completed redemption form. So there's a redemption form that you do have to fill out, and it has to be filled out correctly. It says, and satisfaction of all offer requirements. Sales tax is not included and is collected in accordance with state and local laws. So it depends on, your local taxes might be different. Like here in North Carolina, it's like 7.5% or whatever it is, or 7, I believe, whatever. But in California, it might be higher or something like that. It just depends. That's what it's saying. It says, third monthly payment must be made by June 29, 2021 to qualify. So there is kind of a cutoff date of your last payment. It must be made by June 29th of this year, 2021, to qualify. If you pay it late or anything like that, you won't get it. It says you will have to allow 6 to 8 weeks for delivery of gift cards. So it is going to take a while for you to get this thing. That's why I don't like redemption rebates or anything like that, because they take forever. So after you've done your 3 months and you submitted before June 29, 2021, and everything's fine, you will have to wait over a month, almost a month and a half, 6 to 8 weeks for delivery of this gift card in select markets, excludes boostmobile.com or national retailers. So you cannot get this offer at boostmobile.com through their website or national retailers, which is like Walmart or Target or anything like that. Select model only, no substitutions. Selection of availability may vary by retailer. So yeah, there's a lot of requirements, and like I said, that's why I wanted to make this video, to kind of go over it with you guys and explain everything. To break it down, basically, you'll go to the store, pay $100 for the phone, pay for the service, any activation fees that you might have, and taxes. After 3 months of paying your bill and doing it before June 29, 2021, which would be your last payment, you have to submit a form and submit it correctly. You will get your gift card or virtual card after 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So yeah, you do have to wait a little bit, but I mean, like I said, if you're gonna get the phone, why not? After a couple months of having the phone, almost, what's that? Almost 5 months after first initially purchasing the phone, it's nice to get a little gift of $50, which you can use towards your bill or buying something, which is, it's all right, like I said. So not too bad, but just a little bit of reading, and that's why I like to break this kind of videos down to you and these offers down to you if you do plan to get this. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Check out the description below for a lot more offers and a lot more videos coming your way. Thank you.